from the Pleasant Hills Public Library, and I'm joined today by my very special assistant. That's right, and we are going to walk you through how to make bubble tea using the supplies in our teen subscription kit.
It's good.
Included in your kit are 2 boba straws, 1 compostable cup and lid, 4 packets of tea, 2 green, 2 black, and 2 containers of uncooked tapioca pearls, each measuring approximately 1/4 cup, enough for a cup of tea each. Supplies you will need from home: a large mug, a saucepan with a lid and or a tea kettle, a spoon, a colander, sugar if you like your drinks sweet, milk if you like your drinks creamy, and ice if you want your drink cold. You can make your bubble tea either on the stove or using the microwave. Make sure to ask your parent or guardian before you play with the stove. If you want your drink cold, make sure to make your tea first and then your tapioca pearls. If you want your drink warm, you're going to reverse the order and make your pearls first and your tea second. We don't have a kettle, so we're going to make our tea in the microwave. To make your tea in the microwave, start by filling your mug almost all the way up. You want to leave a little bit of room at the top. Put your cup of water in the microwave for 3 minutes.
For 3 minutes, that's long.
It's going to be pretty hot when it comes out of the microwave, so you might want an oven mitt.
Your cat can open the door if you have one.
Hot, hot, hot. Rip open your tea bags and put them inside the teacup. Remember though, it's hot, so be careful. Let your tea bags steep for 2 to 3 minutes depending on how strong you like your tea, and then come back to it later. For your tapioca pearls, fill your saucepan with 6 to 8 cups of water. Exact measurements aren't necessary. To make your pearls, put the saucepan on the stove. You can also do this in the microwave following the instructions that are included in your kit. And wait until the water is boiling. Once your water is boiling, it's time to add your tapioca pearls. You can put 1 whole container in, which equals roughly 1/4 cup. Use a spoon to stir them so they don't stick together. Once they float to the top, put your lid on and lower the heat to medium. Set a timer for 5 minutes. After your 5 minutes are up, very carefully remove 1 tapioca pearl. Let it cool a little bit and then test it for chewiness. Is it chewy enough? If it's chewy enough, remove it from heat and drain using your colander. Rinse under cold water and then add to your cup. If you want your tapioca pearls to be sweet, add a little bit of sugar while you finish all the other steps. Once your pearls and tea are cooked, it's time to assemble your drink. Start by putting your pearls at the bottom of your cup. Next, add your tea. Since I'm making mine cold, I'm going to add ice now. If you'd like it to be sweet, add some sugar. You could also add a little bit of honey. If you want it to be creamy, add a little bit of milk. Put your lid on and give it a stir. As a reminder, the cups that are in your kit are not for hot tea, so make sure your tea is cooled a little bit before you put it in. If you'd like to try your tea hot, you can assemble it in your mug. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make bubble tea. Please feel free to send us pictures of you enjoying your drink, either to the email pleasanthills@einetwork.net or tag us on social media. Have a great day. Cheers!